mga kasabs, today we're doing tilapia fish pressured. Hello mga kasabs, mag-cook tayo ng tilapia fish. Cook in a pressure cooker with lots of oil. So this is my fish. I still need to clean it, but and slice it too. And I have already prepared my carrots, and you can do make a design of carrots to put in that fish. Here is my pressure cooker. I put first this not black pepper, bay leaves, just like that. Cover all the bottom of the pressure cooker, and I will slice my carrots and put it there on the top of it. So here is the carrots now. We have to file them one layer lang mga guys. Grab some more. Here you go. Okay, that's just how I design my carrots. It's because I don't know how to design it. I don't have that thing to use to design it. So that's just how I do my carrots. My one whole head of garlic, and I'm pounding it with the use of this. Ayan mga kasabs, ilagay na rin natin yung garlic natin. Papile din natin siya dyan. Okay, ganyan siya. Okay, itong fish natin, this fish we have here, we already brine it for 30 minutes with 3/4 cup of salt. So i-drain na natin siya, and I will clean one more time. So ayan na yung fish ha. Siguro tatabang to ulit kasi binanlawan ko naman ulit kasi yung tubig kanina is parang madugo pa. So we're ready to put this one here in the pressure cooker. This fish mga kasabs cost $8 something at Walmart. It's in a one bag, 3 pieces in each in the bag. So it's $8 something. Ayan, put the fish. Looks like it's gonna be a lot mga kasabs. One layer lang daw eh. How can we do this to be one layer? Mga kasabs. So maybe next time I'll just make one fish or 2 fish. So now the leftover, all the tails, I'm gonna fry them na lang or make it a paksiw, and then I'll just frozen them because I'm gonna have too much food today for buyag if I'm not gonna do something or frozen them. It's gonna go to waste. So I will make it a paksiw and frozen also. So it's my first time to do this one. I just see it on the other website. It's popping up on one of my account. So I just think to try it. So we'll find out what's gonna happen. Lagyan din daw ng pickles. Pickles mga guys, pickles. I will just plan to put maybe 5. Just put on the top of it. 5. Ayan. That is easy to get. So 5 guys dyan. 3 pa yan pala. It's number 4. And here's number 5. Okay, now we put crushed black pepper guys. I think it's 1/2 teaspoon, tablespoon I mean. But if it's really a round one, it's not crushed, you can put 1 tablespoon on it. And also I will put chili to make it spicier, because it's just me will eat this fish, my husband won't eat, my kids won't eat. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of salt again. Ito yung salt niya, guys. Yan, 1 tablespoon. It's like powdered salt. I use Norton. Ito lang yung chilling gagamitin ko, guys. It's wild chili. So, lagay ko na lang siya dyan. I don't need to crush them or pound them, because I know for sure pressure cooker will make it very soft. 1 cup of oil, guys. Oh no, it's really 2 cups. So right now I have 1 cup yet. Pour it there, and we're gonna get 1 more cup. So ayan na, we put the 2 cups of oil. I use from Kirkland vegetable oil. The video that I saw before is she used canola oil, so I think they're just the same. So now we add water, 1 cup of water, just until it cover up the fish. So it looks like it's not enough. It does not cover the fish yet. So we're gonna add more. Keep watching if it's covered the fish already. Not yet. So far I got already, this is my number 3 cups. Not yet. So this is my 3.5 cups so far. Natabunan na. You fully covered the fish from the 3.5 cups. Ayan, guys, nilagay na natin yung takip ng pressure cooker. We put the pressure cooker lid, and also this one, it will jingle. Once it's jingle, we're gonna simmer it, slow down into medium heat for 1 hour. And let's check after that. So see you there. See you later on. Na siya, I lower the heat into medium. And let's just wait for the time for an hour. And let's check after that if it's all done. I'm sure it's gonna be done. The fish is just so soft, you know. Very soft. Baka mamaya it will be overcooked, and when we open the pressure cooker, wala na, gutay-gutay na yung isda. So, maybe by 30 minutes, let's check. Kasi sabi in the video, it's 1 hour daw. So, I'll check for after 30 minutes first. And then if we need more to cook that one, then we're gonna go more 30 minutes. And it's after 30 minutes. I turn off the stove. And then I do this way to release the air from inside the pressure cooker. Delikado kasi siya if you just open right away without releasing that air from inside. Para siyang puputok, and it's gonna splash on your body, possibility. So, ayan na siya. Wait tayo. So, ayan, wala na yung takip. Yung nandito, before, it's gone already. Pull it out. So, now it's ready to open this lid now. And it's gonna be safe. Guys, yan na yung itsura ng isda. So, I am thinking I still really gonna need to do another 30 minutes. I'll have to taste first. If it's the saltiness, it's okay already or what. Guys, the taste tastes like oily. And I kind of like the smell there when I put it in my mouth. But I think the saltiness is not enough, so I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of salt in there. And this way, I can put also the magic syrup. That's my additional ingredient. Ano yung magic syrup, guys? Natuwad man siya. I open it wrong, but it does not matter. So, ayan na siya. Lagyan natin siya ng magic sarap, ha? Ayan. Not so much kasi I think this is not really good to the body, not good to your health, you know. It's not healthy, guys. But cooking, but it makes the food tastier. So, just a little bit. And then now we're gonna put back the lid. Everything, the tiny thingy on the top of the lid, we put that one back and we wait for 30 minutes again, and that will be it for 1 hour. Guys, that's the final video of my tilapia cooked in a lot of oil in the pressure cooker. So yeah, it tastes good. You have to try this. Thank you. Babush.